What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we're doing another giveaway, and the channel has hit over 2,000 subscribers, and I couldn't do it without you guys. So I wanted to kind of save up my giveaways to kind of do like a big giveaway when I hit 2,000 subs. So here we go, and the ending for this giveaway will be on August 20th. That's when I'll go ahead and post another video, and we'll be doing drawing for the winner using like the random comment picker. What we're actually going to be doing is picking two winners for this giveaway. And we're actually going to pick a third one. Now, the third person to win, that is going to be dependent on you guys. I want to see if we can get this video shared 100 times on Facebook, YouTube, whatever. As long as I can see in my analytics that this video has been shared 100 times for my subscribers or whoever, we can go ahead and do a third giveaway. And that will be something special, which I won't announce just yet. It'll just be a special item that I'll give away to that third person. But let's go ahead and get to the giveaway and what we're going to be giving away. So this is going to be the main giveaway. I have it in this drone drop. We can call it the Viper drop. That's what we can call it. And it's going to be a whole bunch of grab bag of stuff. So some stickers from a previous drone drop. Looks like we got ourselves a Rush. Let's see, what's this one? This is the Rush VTX Race Edition. Where should we go? This way. And it also comes with a little MMCX connector or antenna. Little, I believe that's the Fox ear. Is that the Hoot? No, the Lollipop. Lollipop. Also one of my Viper FPV stickers. We also got 4 sets of the motors I actually were using. The 2207 2600 kV Sam Gook. Oh, these the Wii? Yeah, these are the Wii motors. Yeah, the Wii motors. And 4 of these actually has some pretty decent wire on them still. And I did fly them quite a bit, but they are still working and still great motors. So 4 of those. Hopefully this doesn't fall. Let me put this down here. And then we also have a frame. This is the TBS Oblivion frame. It also has a canopy over here as well. That'll also be in this box that you win. Then we also got, let's see, oh, we also have this too, which was in the last FPV crate. This is the Axie antenna. This is the really long one. Didn't figure I'll use this one since I already have tons of antennas. And it also has the little Xylo PitPal VTX if you want to hook it up to control your VTX and switch it on and off from a channel, from a switch on your radio. And then lastly, we have this little quad box. I'm not going to take it out, but it's the quad box pouch where you can put your tools in and whatnot. So that's that. And then let's get to the other box. This is who's going to win for second place. Let's go ahead and close this box up so it doesn't make a mess and fall everywhere. Okay. So the second box is a ton of props. I think there's like 12 or maybe even more, 15 sets of props in there or so. Also have my sticker as well. FPV, this is a Cricket FPV sticker from one of the quad boxes. And also another, look like Ethics sticker pack here, right there. So that will be for the second place winner. And it'll come in this box as well. And like I said before, for third place, if you want to share this video out to Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want to do it, Discord, and as long as I see 100 shares of my analytics, we'll go ahead and pick a third winner for something else special. So to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, Viper FPV. Leave 1 comment down below. If you leave multiple comments, I will have to disqualify you. Like I said, we'll be picking the winner on August 20th, 2019 with the random comment picker. And if you do live outside the United States, I will be paying up to $10 shipping to ship it to you. Anything additional like custom fees or whatever, taxes, that will have to be up to you to cover, and we can work those arrangements out via PayPal. Anybody who lives in the United States, the shipping will be free. So yeah, so let's see what happens on August 20th and who wins these great prizes. And like I said before, if we share it 100 times, I'm being pretty optimistic about that. You should be able to hit that pretty easily. We can pick a third winner for another item that I will randomly pick then. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys subscribing. Couldn't do it without you guys. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.